Today's topic is 7th standard metric syllabus physics problem we are going to solve, especially in the first unit, physical quantities and measurement. So shall we start solving? Yes, the first problem. Yes. If 103 centimeter cube of aluminium has mass of 0.280 kilogram, find its density. I have already solved density problems before. You can verify there also. So if it is centimeter cube, you have to convert. You have to take it as volume. If it is kilogram, you have to take it as mass. Okay. So volume V is equal to 103 centimeter cube. Mass M is equal to 0.280 kg. So as per the density concept, the unit should be either kilogram by meter cube or gram by centimeter cube. But if you see in this given data, volume is in the form of centimeter cube and mass is in the form of kilogram. So either you have to convert this as meter cube or this as gram. So it is easy to convert this as gram. So I'm going to convert kilogram into gram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, whereas 0.280 into 1000 mass is equal to 280 gram. So I have volume and I have mass. Now I'm going to substitute in the formula density. And one more thing, I have to find in the form of gram by centimeter cube as well as kilogram by meter cube. Density is equal to mass by volume. So mass 280 gram and volume 103 centimeter cube. When you divide it, okay, kindly see the division. Yes. So when you divide it, density is equal to 2.7 gram by centimeter cube, because you substituted gram as well as centimeter cube. So the same unit only will come for answer also. Now we are supposed to convert gram by centimeter cube into kilogram by meter cube, because our question is talking about we want to have in this form also as well as in this form also. So already I have given a previous video how to convert gram by centimeter cube to kilogram by meter cube. We are supposed to multiply by 1000. So 2.7 into 1000 is equal to 2700 kilogram by meter cube. So I got in the form of gram by centimeter cube as well as kilogram by meter cube. Thank you. Second problem. If density of wood is 800 kilogram by meter cube and its volume is 0.3 meter cube, find its mass. So if in the question kilogram by meter cube is given, you have to consider it as density, and meter cube you have to consider as volume. So that is the given data. So we have to find the mass. So see the given data. Yes. So for finding the mass, I have already solved in the previous video how to find the formula. So mass I need. So I'm going to hide the mass. I'll be getting what? Density and volume, they are in the form of multiplication. So formula is density into volume. Now I'm going to multiply 800 into 0.3. Whereas I'll be getting mass is equal to 240 kilogram. Don't forget the unit is very important. Thank you. Third problem. The density of gold is 19 gram by centimeter cube. Find its volume. So they have given a density. Okay, and they have given two mass. One is 38 gram and as well as 0.095 kilogram. So we are supposed to find for this two mass also. So density is common for both. Okay, shall we solve? So given data, first for 38 gram let's solve. So density, mass. Okay, so for volume also formula. So hide the volume. Okay, mass divided by density. So volume is equal to mass by density. So substitute a value. Mass is what? 38 gram and density is 19 gram by centimeter cube. Okay, so when you solve, 119 is 19, 2 19s are 38. So 2 by 1 is V is equal to 2 centimeter cube. So unit is very important. Now you see this one, it is given in the form of gram by centimeter cube, but here it is kilogram. So I have already told either it can be kilogram by meter cube or gram by centimeter cube. But here it is little change. Okay, so you are going to convert kilogram into gram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So you are going to multiply it with 1000. 0.095 into 1000. So mass is equal to 95 gram. So the point will go this side. Okay. Next we have to substitute now. So I have mass also. I have density also. So volume is equal to mass by density. So 95 by 19. I am substituting. So 119 is 19. 5 19s are 95. So volume is equal to 5 centimeter cube. So we found for this problem. Is it okay? Now fourth problem. There are three blocks. Block A, block B, block C. So they have given data. Mass is equal to 19.3 gram. Volume is equal to 1 centimeter cube. And mass is equal to 19.3. So common mass is given. Volume alone varies for three blocks also. Okay, we are supposed to find the density of 3 also, as well as we have to find what kind of substance is this, block A, block B, block C. Okay, so I use density formula. Density is equal to mass by volume for 3, and I'm going to substitute the value. So first one, 19 by 1. So anything divided by 1, the same number, I got it like 19.3 gram by centimeter cube. So for block A, the value is 19.3 gram by centimeter cube. Let's focus on block B and block C. So same 19.3 divided by 7. 7 is their volume and 30 is the volume here. So when you do it in the form 193 divided by 70 and 193 divided by 300. So you'll be getting the value 2.75 gram by centimeter cube for block B, and for block C 0.64 gram by centimeter cube. So kindly learn the divisions. In the question, they ask us to arrange these 3 blocks of density in the increasing order. So let's arrange it. Since it is increasing order, block C will be first, okay, block B will be second, and block A will be third. In your book, they ask us to find what is the substance. So you have to refer table 1.4 in your Connect with Science book. So the density of certain materials I have listed. So for 19.3 is gold, 2.72 is aluminium, and 0.3 is 0.3 to 0.9 will be as wood. So they are the substances. So block C is wood, block B is aluminium, and block A is gold. So we solve the problem.